It might sound exaggerated, some would call it unfeasible or even pompous, but we're here to change the world. We deliver marine infrastructure solutions that enhance the energy transition and help communities all around the world to adapt to climate change so we can set sail to a sustainable future. But you can't change the world overnight. It's a bumpy ride full of challenges and hard work. At Van Oord, we know that nothing great comes easy, but we keep on going, not afraid of getting our feet wet or our hands dirty. We embrace challenges, overcome adversity, and thrive. This mindset is what unites us. From the people in our offices to the people offshore, no matter who we are or where we come from, our teamwork actually makes the dream work. We deliver marine ingenuity to create a better world for future generations. That's what makes us more than just captains, engineers, or superintendents.